Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Jumping right into the video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my micro loops. Now, I got these micro loops from Ywigs. They also send everything that you will need for your install. And then I have 3 bundles of their 22-inch, I believe, body wave. But anyway, so to start off, I'm gonna section off my leave out. I just do a typical leave out like you would do for a quick weave. I have many quick weave videos on my channel, so definitely check those out as well. But so I just kind of braid up my perimeter. So for this type of install, it is definitely important to have a mirror in front of you so that you can see the back of your head, because you do want to be precise with this type of install so you aren't like pulling or tugging on your hair when you're installing your micro loops. But for this portion, I don't have everything super neat, but it's neater than it usually would be. But anyway, so I have my kind of perimeter put up here, and then I'm going to start with my leave out that I leave in the middle. So I'm doing a basic install. It's kind of versatile, but super basic, so it should be very beginner friendly and easy. I'm just going to braid this part up as well. So of course I still have my mirror, as you guys see back there, because you definitely need that. You're also going to need a lot of clips to clip away the hair that you've already looped, the hair that's going to be looped, everything like that. So you're going to definitely need to be pretty organized. Now this is the hair that I got from Ywigs. Very nice, very nice. So one bundle comes with, I believe it's like 4, so 4 smaller bundles here of the micro loops. And then now I'm just going to show you guys how thin of a part I'm doing to install the micro loops. So to actually install them, you're going to want a thin piece of hair. You can do it maybe like the size of the same thickness, as the actual loop, but a little bit smaller. So if you grab hair that's too thick, it won't even go through, so it's fine. But if it's too small or too thin, the micro loop could kind of slip down. But I want to explain what I'm doing here. After I put my micro loop in, I move it around and like up and down around to make sure that my hair is not pulling or that it doesn't feel uncomfortable at all. So, and then once I see that it's not uncomfortable, I clip it away, because it's super easy to get other strands of hair kind of stuck into another micro loop where it's not supposed to be, and that's the way that you'll like break your hair. So anyways, so to do the actual micro loop, you put the strand of hair, after you get the correct thickness, you pull that strand of hair out and you put it through the loop. Let's wait till I do it again. I'm going to show you guys. Yep, just making sure there's no hair. Okay, I have my thickness here, the good size for me. I'm just going to put my hair through the little loop, as you guys can see, hopefully. And then you pull the black piece that's at the bottom of the loop. So kind of just feel for it. It's right there. I hope you guys can see that. You just pull that down, and your hair is going to loop through the micro loop. And then you're going to go ahead, clamp it down, make sure you have it in there good, and you're all good. It's that easy. It's just that for this style, you need to be pretty organized, like I said, with it, so that you're not looping flyaways from other strands of hair. Pretty much that's it. But yeah, so it's pretty repetitive, of course. I just did that all the way up my head, and super easy. It's just time consuming. I think this took me I can only style my hair like this at night, so it took me about 2 days to do it, because it might have taken 4 hours altogether. But keep in mind, I wasn't very focused while I was doing it, and I didn't like just sit all the way through and do it. So I could have done it quicker, but I did not. But yep, it took about 4 hours, I would say. Now, I didn't show you guys how to remove them because I did show that in my last micro loop video. But to remove it, you're just going to grab your strand of hair with a micro loop on it, of course, and you're going to squeeze the little black piece that's holding the hair on your strand of hair. Squeeze it the other way. This is one bundle, guys. I'm sorry. Yep, this is a complete bundle here. Yay, you see it's the next day as well. One bundle. Oh, you know what? And for this style, I didn't use all 3, but I used 2 and half of that last bundle. So this is the full final finished look. Yes, I was so happy to be done. But this is all of the hair. It looks so good. I thought it blended very well with my hair. And then now I'm just going to go ahead and get into styling. So I'm going to let you guys just watch that. I kind of forgot what I was saying before that. Oh, about removing. Okay, yeah, so just squeeze it the other way and it'll slip right out. So you may find as well, like I did, that some of your micro loops have slipped out kind of throughout, throughout your time wearing them. And that's because I think it's because I didn't use a thick enough piece of hair. So just make sure that you're using a thick enough piece of hair. Like I said before, the micro loop won't even allow you to use too much hair because it won't even pull through. So yes, just be sure that you're using enough hair. But the good thing is that you can reuse these, and if it does slip out, you can put it back in. So that is great as well. To put them back in, thankfully Ywigs, they did send what you need to reuse the micro loops. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna use the little you don't have to use the tool that they sent, but you definitely can. I would recommend, it's easier. But if you don't have it, you just go ahead and slip in the loop part, slip it back up the little black piece that holds your hair and the micro loop together. Slip it back up so that you can do that pulling method again. So it's like a crochet. Yeah, kind of like crochet actually. So I think I've explained enough to you guys. Hopefully I did. If you have any questions, or if you don't think I've explained this well enough, please let me know, and I will try to do this video again for you guys, because I'm definitely going to wear the style again. So I'll record it and try to be more detailed if you guys need it. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one.
Hit me with your eyes, I ain't never seen that kind of view. You walking over here, the way that it went down last week, man. We be talking all night, but I can tell you need to work on you, like you. You be playing sweet, but baby, don't you know that touch is cheap. Stand for me, I wish that you could back it up for me.